guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to design a full working Shopify website using a premium Shopify theme. And we will go through the whole process step by step. We will customize the product page, improve the whole design, and make our store ready for sales. And if you want this premium theme for free, drop me a DM and I will send it to you. So first, let me show you how we can import a theme. We can import the theme by clicking Import, upload zip file, and add our zip file here. For this example, I will get this theme file and we hit upload. And now our theme file is there, and to publish it, we have to wait a bit for the installation process. And now my theme is there. I can publish it by hitting publish and publish theme. So this is the way you add the file, but for today's tutorial we will use this flow theme that I already had previously on my website. So I'm gonna again hit publish and publish this one, and I'm gonna click edit theme, and these here are the sections that we are gonna add. So first I want to follow this link here, open it in a different tab, and this is where I store all my sections, and I'm gonna open it up and I'm going to download the first section that is called supplement how to use.liquid. So let's locate this file now, and I have to download it by clicking this button. And it's now here in my downloads folder. I'm gonna open it up, choose an application. You can choose whatever text editor you're comfortable with. For Mac, you can use either a text editor, either the Visual Code Studio if you're coding, and for Windows you can use the Notepad++. So I'm selecting the Visual Studio Code and I'm opening it. So this is our file, and I will now return to the dashboard and hit these three buttons, edit code. And I'm going to go now back to the document and copy this file name, and I'm going to find my section folder here, and I'm gonna right click on it, new file, and paste this file name there. And now I am returning to my VS Code, Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy, and going back, Ctrl V, and I'm gonna save this file. And this file is called in the theme editor supplement how to use. So now let's add a product and then add this section to our store. So I have prepared some product pictures that we are going to use in today's video. And let's now add a product. So I'm going to this product section here, and I'm going to click add product, and I will open my file where I have my pictures stored. And we're gonna take this one here and let's give it a name. I will call it Daily Gut Balance. Now we're hitting save, and let's go back to the editor now by clicking online store and edit theme. And now by selecting here homepage products and clicking on our default product, we will go to our product page, which looks like this for now, but we are going to customize it. So first thing, let's go and add our first section, which is called how to use supplement how to use. This is it, and let's hit save. Using the same way, I'm going to add the rest of my sections now to my store. And let's now add the sections. So I am going to delete the existing sections. Now I'm going to delete everything except the one we just added. And I am going after this to add another one that is called promise. Okay, so I have added all my sections to my store, and I'm hitting save to save the updates. And let's go and now customize everything. So for the first section, I have prepared some colors that I'm gonna use, and as a background I will use this color on my first section. So I am going to select section background and paste this color here. Actually, I don't want to update the background. I will edit the card background instead. So it will be like this, and I'm hitting save. And I will change the padding top and padding bottom to 32 pixels, like this. This is very good. And I am going to save my changes. And now I will import some pictures for each card. So for the first card, I am going to select this picture here, and it will look like this. So now it looks like this. I'm gonna hit save. And if we look at the mobile view, our section will look like this. So let's go back to the desktop view and let's edit the second one. So for the second one, I am going to use white for the background. So I will select white from here like this. And I'm gonna make the padding 32 pixels. Like this and like this. I'm gonna hit save again. And now I will show you how you can update the icons right here in this benefit grid. So first of all, I am going to select the top logo image, which is this one here. I will add this image. So our top logo image has appeared, but it's not visible because we have this orange background and it's very small. So let's first crop it. We will click this here, crop and transform. We are going to select the freeform. And I will crop it like this. And I'm going to select apply and save. So now our image is bigger, but to make it visible, we have to select another color. For example, let's select green. And now, as you can see, my logo is visible on the section. And I will show you now how I can change these emojis here, these icons here. So I have the option first to edit the bottom left SVJ and the bottom right SVJ. And in my document here in SVJs, you can find the SVJ codes that we can use. So I'm just going to copy it and edit this, paste it here. And as you can see, my icon has changed to this icon here. And I am going to do the same with the next one. So just by copying and pasting these icons like this, and as you can see, this has also changed. So let's now quickly edit these icons here, and I am selecting this SVJ this time, like this, and I am going to paste it here, like this. So let's apply the same for the other ones. And we can change the SVJs here as well. So for these SVJs, I am going to select these icons here, and just by pasting like this, it's a very fast procedure, like this, and one more, and copy this and paste this to the next one, like this. Nice. And this one I will just delete it, so I can delete it from here, and I'm gonna hit save. Also, I am going to select an image for this one. So this is going to be a layered image, and this means that we already have a background, a colorful background, and a layered image on top. So let's see what I mean by that. I am going to select this image here of our product, and I'm hitting done, and this is how it will look like. And if I now open my preview, it will be something like this. So let's hide this bar. So now my website looks like this. We have the cards, we have some benefits, image and text, we have some statistics, and again a text with an image. And this is our table with the updated SVJs and the comparison table as well. We can add some pictures here. And this is our FAQs, which can be updated also. So you can see the different categories of the FAQs here. Some general FAQs, about the product, about how to use the product, and some other ones. And this is how our layered pictures looks like. So we have the background and we have the picture on top. And we have here our final CTA, call to action. And I will now show you how to actually add this functionality of adding this to the cart, because now if I click on it, nothing is happening. So I will now quit the editor and I will go to my product here. So in the search engine listing, I will click edit and I will copy this link here. And I will open my browser and paste this link and add .js. And this is the result. So now you have to locate this ID here, and I am going to copy this number and go back to my document, paste it. Now it's not visible because the color was white when I copied it. So I will select it and change it to black so it's visible to me. Copy again and paste it right here. So now I will select this link and I will go back to my editor, go back to my online store, go to my product page. I am going to this section here with the CTA and I will paste my link right here. And I'm gonna select it and I'm hitting save. So let's view our store now. So now if we click add to cart, it's taking us to the checkout, as you can see. Thanks for following along. If you found any value, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please drop me a DM or comment below. See you in the next one.